Good morning! Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a what I ate today video, obviously from the title. I'm going to show you what I eat all day, full day's worth of my vegan meals. Right now it is about a little before 8, so it's breakfast time obviously, and I'm about to make my breakfast. So for breakfast today I am going to have a tofu scramble. That's what I've been having all week actually. And it's been really good. This is the tofu that I'm using. I always use firm. For any time I use tofu, I always just get the firm. I like the texture of it. And in my scramble, I'm gonna add some fresh spinach, as well as red onion and red pepper. I'm gonna chop these both up. I'm just using about 1/3 of this. And I always like to press my tofu just to get as much of the water and the moisture out as possible. And to make this is really easy, so I'm just pouring in some olive oil in a pan. Oh, that's more than what I usually use. Just a little bit less than that. I'm gonna add in my onion and red pepper. And I'm gonna cook this for about 2 minutes. Now add in the tofu. And I always add this by hand so I can crumble it up. And the spinach, I like to add a nice handful of that. And just mix it all in until the spinach cooks down. I'm gonna add in some turmeric. See, easy peasy. I'm gonna add some sliced avocado on top and some salt and pepper. I like to add my salt and pepper at the end, so I can just put that on top. You can do this while you're cooking it, but I just like to add my salt and pepper at the end. And some buttered whole wheat toast, vegan butter of course. This is the butter that I use. But that's my breakfast guys, tofu scramble, whole wheat toast, and some tea. This is the tea I'm drinking in case you're wondering. Definitely not my first choice, especially for breakfast tea, but this is all I have in the house right now, so it'll have to do. So yeah, I just gotta get some more when I go to the market. So this is like my go-to scramble recipe whenever I'm making a scramble. This is like my go-to combination, and it's really quick, really easy to make, but it's super, super tasty, and it's very filling. So I love that about it. And with the avocado, it just goes so well. I don't even know how, but it goes really well with the avocado. So it's lunchtime, and today I'm having a pasta salad, but not just any pasta salad, a loaded pasta salad. So I've already chopped up my veggies, and these are what I'm using for my salad. Also gonna put some olives in here. This goes really well with this pasta salad. And this is the dressing I'm gonna be using today. I picked this up from Whole Foods, and it's actually my first time buying it, but it's really, really tasty. So I definitely recommend this dressing for pretty much anything. I really like it. Drain the noodles once they're all cooked. And I'm going to rinse this with some cold water just to take the heat off of it. Just throw all of those veggies into a large bowl. And I'm going to add in my olives, the pasta, and some lettuce mix. Then goes the dressing. And you just mix this all in. Really, really good. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper on top. Some diced avocado. Then I'm gonna sprinkle on some vegan Parmesan cheese. And this just really sets the whole thing off. With my pasta salad, I'm just having some water with some lemon and lime wedges. Really simple, but this is super quick to make, and it is so good. So excuse me while I devour this whole bowl. I'll see you at dinner time. So I got a little hungry while I'm out here running errands and such, so I was going to stop at Five Guys and just get some fries because I am lightweight addicted to Five Guys fries, just FYI, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna get those. I got them already the other day, and so it's just too much. So I stopped at Jamba Juice and I got a smoothie. This is the apple and greens smoothie, and this is pretty much the only one that I get when I go there. I don't think I've ever tried another flavor actually, because the first time I went to Jamba Juice, I got the apple and greens and it was so good that I just stuck with it. So this is kind of like my thing when I go there. But yeah, I just needed something to hold me over, and so I'm just gonna have this until I get back and have my dinner. But it's really tasty and I love it. For dinner, I'm having a Meatless Meatball Sub, and for the balls I'm using these. I made these yesterday. I just pre-made them, and I'll put the recipe below. I'll put how I made these below in the info box if you are interested. But yeah, I made them out of chickpeas, and so I'm gonna pop these in the oven to bake. Also gonna have some baby broccoli with my sub, so just have them in a bowl, and then I'm just gonna massage them with some olive oil. Just toss it like that. Add these to the same baking sheet. Sprinkle on some seasonal and a little freshly ground pepper. And that's all I do with my broccoli. It comes out so delicious just with the olive oil, seasonal, and pepper. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven. So the broccoli, you really only have to roast them for a few minutes. So I'm gonna take these off this tray and then pop this back in the oven until these chickpea balls are done. About 20 minutes or so. For my buns, I'm using these wheat buns I got from Whole Foods. Went ahead and lightly toasted it. So I'm just gonna add my balls. And then the marinara sauce goes on top. I've already heated up the marinara sauce. Just spoon that all on top of there. Gonna finish it off with some of my vegan Parmesan and a little bit of parsley flakes just for garnish. Doesn't that just look so delish? I'm very excited to eat. Moment of truth. Well, it's actually not the moment of truth because I've already eaten a million of these things, but on camera. Make you want to smack somebody's mama or something. While I'm watching my shows, I'm having some popcorn. I made this in my air popper. I put some vegan butter, some popcorn salt, and my secret ingredient in here, which is nutritional yeast. Gives it like a little bit of a cheesy flavor. I really like nutritional yeast flakes in my popcorn. And I think this is all I'm gonna be having today. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.